Today, R&D are giving me the first new xNAV550 inertial and GPS navigation system. It's pretty exciting because it's very small, very light, and it's 2 centimeters accurate. If you're familiar with GPS and you wonder why inertial navigation systems are used, it's because you get heading, pitch and roll, you get no jumps in position, you get continuous position around bridges and trees and urban canyons, you get 100 Hz updates, and you get plenty more benefits. And here it is now. Wow, that is small. They packed it in tight. That's small compared to one GNSS receiver. It has 2 precision GNSS receivers for position and heading, and all the inertial sensors and processing in that small box. R&D tell me it's achieving 0.03 degrees of roll and pitch, and we're expecting it to drift by less than 2.5 meters per kilometer without GNSS. So what have we got? We have the LEMO connector for power and communications, and 2 GNSS antenna connectors for your antennas. On the cable, we have the main connector to the xNAV, the LEMO connector. We have power, which is normally bare ends. We have RS232, Ethernet, and we have the digital I/O connector for powering wheel speed, for 1 PPS timing, and for camera input and output triggering. So let's put it in a car and have a go. Here we are with the xNAV550 installed in the boot. We have the antenna on the roof. R&D only gave me 1, but you can fit 2 for better heading. Ethernet. Configure it with NavConfig like other OXDS products. Very easy to do, you don't need training. Download your data, done, and go. And there's forward velocity and heading shown on the display. We're under trees here, so it's hard to show position, but if we stop, you can see the velocity go down very close to 0. GPS couldn't really do this with the trees around. You can see the pitch and roll measurements at the bottom. It's all working. I guess R&D have done a good job. Here we are back in the car park. Let's download the data and see the position. That's our file here. Downloading the data. This is a very simple process, very few button clicks to get the data processed again. That's downloaded onto the laptop, and here we go with the process window. Scanning through the file once. That's it. Now it's going to load the graphical display software, NavGraph, so we can see what we're looking at. This is the route that we drove around. There's trees all around this route. I can export the data to Google Earth, which is upset by no internet connectivity. And here's our route. As you can see, trees all the way around the route. There's no jumps in the data, there's no missing sections. It's all working well. So that's it. First look at the 2 centimeter xNAV550. We have a little more production testing to do before it's available for sale, but it should be out on the market soon.